Hey everyone, welcome to Gold Mines Review. Are you tired of overcomplicating your stock trades with endless indicators and confusing setup? Today I am breaking down something refreshing and simple. A 4 candle, a 3-day live masterclass that claims to teach you a clean, actionable stock picking strategy. But is it just another trading course in disguise, or it's the shortcut many aspiring traders desperately need? We'll answer that right after we dive into what makes this program different. I suggest you to stick till the end because we are going to cover the overview, the features and correlated features, pros and cons, pricing, rating, and final verdict, and everything. Overview. What is 4 candles? 4 candles is a structured, no fluff trading strategy course designed for retail traders. What you get is a 3 days live classes with a simple system that doesn't rely on complicated tools. If you're someone who wants to stop guessing and start acting with clarity in stock market, this one's for you. Key highlights which I noticed which is worth to discuss. Let's look at what's packed inside. 24 hours replay access. So perfect if you miss the live session or want to rewatch for clarity, you can get the access from the team. Private Discord group, you are not left hanging. You get a community support and feedback in a real time. It will give the trust and benefits. 2 days, 2 days of training, extra session that got beyond the basis after the live masterclass. And ask me anything session, you get one-on-one session, direct connect with the mentor to get clarify on your doubts. In short, you're not just buying information, you're getting a guided learning and lessons. Pros and cons. Let's be real. No course is perfect. So here's what works and what doesn't. Pros. Simplified strategy, no jargon, just clear action. Flood of success stories. The system is proven and zero theory overloaded. Everything is step by step. And a replay access and Discord community is the added advantage of this particular course. Cons. The course is time bounded. If you miss the live session, you're really heavily on recording, so you can't be able to clarify your doubts on time. It may not appeal to experienced traders looking for sophisticated tools. So if you are having a market experience, I suggest you to just stay away from this tool or this software. The Discord support is general, not personalized one-on-one coaching. You have to rely on other traders and communicators. Pricing plans. Here are the available plans. 3-day live masterclass, it's cost you $99, and the 2 days installment setup plan, it's cost you additional $47. So you have to pay 99 for live classes. After that, you can able to avail the installment plan. After that, you need a personalized recommendation. You have to take the red carpet access, which cost you $197. And the final one is Inner Circle. It's a private and quality community. Directly, you can ask your doubt with a mentor. It's cost you $297. So whether you are just testing the waters or going all in, there is something for every budget. Ratings and feedback. Here, how's the course stack up? Based on the real users' feedback, overall rating for this course is 4.5 out of 5. The strategy and action plan 4 out of 5. For overall pricing, including the backend version, it's cost you 4 out of 5. And the installation and setup process, it just take 2 days indicator setups, and people are saying it's highly effective. It's 4 out of 5. And value for money, it's a perfect trading courses for short term and traders. So it's 5 out of 5. Not bad at all for beginner friendly trading system as well. Final verdict. All right. Is the 4 candle strategy actually worth it? If you've been hopping between strategies, confused by complexity, and want a proven crisp system with community support, then yes, it. But it's not for deep dive technical analyst, but for an average retail trader who wants confidence and consistency. This course will deliver. And yes, Now we come back with the question we opened with. Is this a shortcut many traders need? In my opinion, for the price and simplicity, it's a yes. Before you go, I created a comment session open for you. If you need any insights and practical takeaways, you just put it in the comment. And if you want this course, check the link in the description. It may just save your hours of research. And thanks for watching out. If you found this helpful, hit the like and drop a comment with your trading struggles. Let's grow together. See you in the next one.